Okay, question number 7. In total, to construct a sleeve out of cardboard and design its packaging with colour and fancy print, it cost the company $0.040 per square metre. Okay, how much does one sleeve cost the company in production fees? So what the question is basically telling us is that to make a sleeve out of the cardboard, design it, the package, having the packaging in its certain font, its certain color, the graphics, all of that costs 4 cents per square meter for one sleeve. Okay, that's actually not that bad. Like 4 cents, it doesn't sound too much. So let's see how much it's going to cost. So it costs this much to make one sleeve. So one sleeve has the 10 pods in it. This is how much it costs to make a sleeve. So using our answer from before, from question 6, the total surface area of one sleeve is this. So if this is how much area one sleeve takes up, then that means you take this answer and you times it by how much it costs to produce each square meter of it. So you're taking your answer from question 6 and you're timesing it by 0.040 because that's how much it costs per square meter to produce an actual sleeve. And our answer from question 6 is how much area of the sleeve we actually have for one sleeve. So it's 591.6 times 0.040. Oh, I just deleted it. 591.6 times 0.040. That equals 23.664 watt. Well, we're trying to figure out how much it costs to produce one sleeve. So cost is in dollars. It costs $23 and let's say 66 cents to produce one sleeve. So if I round that to my 2 decimal places, it costs this much. Okay? To construct one sleeve. Now, if we go to question 8, A, Nespresso also sells Discovery selection boxes that have an assortment of its normal and flavoured coffee. There are 15 sleeves in a Discovery box. So 15 sleeves, not pods, 15 long rectangular prism sleeves. Okay? What is the volume of the box? Well, what's our formula for the volume of a rectangular prism? Length, width, height. Okay, so the volume is length times width times height. Now this one is quite a large box. Looks like this to hold all the pods. Okay, so this is what a Discovery box looks like. And in here sits 15 sleeves. Okay, so what's the volume of the box? Well, we know that the length of one sleeve is 22.6 centimeters. So the sleeves will lay down and take up the entire length of the box that it's sitting in, okay, because it fits perfectly. So they all lay down like this on top of each other. And one individual sleeve is 22.6 centimeters long, which means this big Discovery box must be 22.6 centimeters long. Okay, now if you look at the image that's included in the cat, you'll see that width-wise, so this part over here, and you need to look closely, so you might need to zoom in on your screen. You'll see that width-wise, there are 3 pods, all right? Oh, not pods, sorry, 3 sleeves. So 3 sleeves fit here like this. So we've got 1, 2, 3, all right? If you zoom in really close, you'll be able to see the colors of the sleeves inside of the box, all right? So I've got 3 sleeves that fit across like this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now because there are 3 sleeves, all right, and we know that 1 is 5.8 centimeters, that means we do 5.8 times 3, because there are 3 of them laid out like this. And I'm getting this answer from the other calculations that we made. Okay, so you can get this from question 3. All right, find this at question 3. So 5.8 plus 5.8 plus 5.8, or alternatively 5.8 times 3 equals 17.4. So that means that my width is 17.4 centimeters. Now, if you zoom in again and look really, really closely, you'll see that there are 5 pods that sit on top of each other on each 3 columns down the bottom. Okay, so see that? We've got 3 that make the base that go along the bottom, and then 5 sit on top of each other. So the pods look like this in the Discovery box. Now, because we have 5 pods sitting on top of each other on the height, that means that we need to take one of these 5.8 centimeter sleeves, not pods, sorry, sleeves, not pods, and we need to do 5.8, because that's what one of these sleeves comes to, and we're going to times that by 5 because there are 5 sitting on top of each other. Okay, so I'll do 5.8 times 5, which equals 29. Okay, so I'll just label length, width, height, and you put this into your formula. Now we've jumped to volume again. So since we've jumped to volume, it means that we're going back to cubed as our units. So the volume of an entire Discovery box, question 8A, is 11,403.96 centimetres cubed. All right. If we had to find the total surface area of the discovery box, we use the formula from question 6 again. So this is the formula we're using for total surface area. Okay. Now I've already got all my dimensions here. So L equals 22.6. Width equals 17.4 and height is 29. So you just substitute all of those numbers into the formula. I'll do brackets again. Length times width. Length times height. Height times width. How about this time I show you how to do it if I put the whole entire line in my calculator, so you can see the difference. So I'd go 2 bracket, bracket again, 22.6 times 17.4, closed bracket, plus sign, open bracket, 22.6 times 29, closed bracket, plus open bracket, 29 times 17.4, close bracket, and then another close bracket. So my answer is squared, because we worked out the total surface area, and anything area related, the units needs to be squared. Okay, so this is my answer to 8A, the volume of the discovery box, and this is my answer to 8B, which is the total surface area of the discovery box.